So this Sunday, man, you got the Jacksonville Jaguars, right? And we understand what James Robinson has been able to do, their running back as well. So just talk a little bit about how you plan to stop him, and more importantly, what y'all have to do as a defense to be successful on Sunday.
You know, overall, James Robinson, after watching him play and his tapes from this year, they speak for himself. He runs angry like an undrafted running back you would expect, but he also has a lot of skills and talents. And getting off blocks, his contact balance, getting off would-be tacklers. So you know that it's going to take 11 people to bring this dude down, and we're focused and committed to playing good run defense, you know, making tackles when they present themselves and being good against blockers. So I think if we do that as a whole, as a front seven especially, with that, good things will happen. Force them to get into third and long with their rookie quarterback is a plan for success.
This segment was brought to you by DraftKings Sportsbook, America's top-rated sportsbooking app. And we know sportsbooking is not allowed everywhere. So if you happen to be living in a state where it's not allowed, we got an alternative. Has anyone ever heard of fantasy football?
It's kind of popular.
It's a thing, right? And I heard of DraftKings. Well, you heard of DraftKings, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what if I told you that DraftKings combined, and they have a fantasy football app as well, where not only is this app awesome, but they're giving out up to $1 million worth of prizes every week. Did you hear that right? $1 million worth of prizes every week. That's what DraftKings fantasy football app is doing. And to add to that, did I tell you about that promo code?
It has something to do with your name?
Oh, yeah, that promo code. Yes, man. If you use promo code Moats for all the first-time users out there, you will receive up to $1,000 in deposit bonus money. So, with that being said, I mean, what are they waiting on?
Not sure.
Go download the app, use the promo code, and let's get that money. Or at least an opportunity.